Diane and Tanya, good morning. The Illinois Attorney General's office plans to appeal to the Illinois Supreme Court after a Kankakee County judge ruled that the portion of the Safety Act that would have ended cash bail in the state is unconstitutional. State's attorneys in 65 counties challenged the law, which was supposed to take effect at the start of the new year. As a result of the judge's ruling, pretrial release and bail reforms spelled out in the law will not take effect in those 65 counties come the start of 2023. The portion of the law would have allowed judges to decide if a defendant does not pose a public safety risk, they could be released without posting a cash bail. ABC 7 legal analyst Gil Sofer explains why the judge believes this portion of the Safety Act is unconstitutional.
Specifically, what this judge is saying is that judges, the judiciary, has the inherent power to make decisions about pretrial release and bail. And in this case, the legislature inappropriately took that away from the judiciary. So we found it was a violation of separation of powers.
In a statement, Governor J.B. Pritzker wrote in part, today's ruling is a setback for the principles we fought to protect through the passage of the Safety Act. We cannot and should not defend a system that fails to keep people safe by allowing those who are a threat to their community the ability to simply buy their way out of jail. And following the decision, Kankakee County State's Attorney Jim Rowe wrote, the Safety Act amended the state constitution and eroded the constitutional protections of the Victim Rights Act, all while disenfranchising the people of their constitutional right to vote on such reforms. Other parts of the Safety Act that includes police accountability and training will still take effect on January 1st. Tanya and Diane.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC 7 Chicago YouTube channel.